Alright, so we sublimated this black part on there. And now, let's add in. Oh. Okay, not bad. Huh, that looks good. What you think?
Yeah, that do look good.
I thought it had turned somewhat, but it did. It looks straight, don't it? Yep. Alright, now we're going to just press this in real quick. So what I did was, I separated the pieces, as y'all can see, so that I can place them exactly where they go. When I first got started doing rhinestones, I used to create one big template and try to place them all onto the shirt at once. And that was a headache, y'all. Trust and believe. Trust and believe. When you break them up like this, you have more control. Now, gotta add the C. We got one more piece, y'all. Alright, we got the diamond part for the top. Now we got everything placed correctly. We'll cut the heat press down. Uh-oh. We'll place that back on there. Okay, a couple of them flipped. That's okay. These will press in nicely, but let's see. Oh, we got that. We got that. It's good. It's going to be good. Let's see. All right. Okay, that's all it. Oh, I see. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. That's why I grabbed my tool right here, y'all. Because now you can easily just slide those stones back over with the pick tool through the plastic, through the tape. That way you don't have to lift the whole design back up, just to nudge them back in place. And then let's put this back down. Perfect. Cut the heat press down to 315 and we'll bake it. Color coordination on point. Look at that. Man. Y'all better jump in my inbox and get you something exclusive. For sure. I would definitely like to say I did that. But we did that. Or she did that. Look at them color combinations. Look at the shoes. Yeah, with the crystal clear AB stones. Yeah, That's stunning. It's stunning, baby. And that, what color is that? That's like a, we gonna just call that sexy mint. That's like a sexy mint color. With the shoes to match. Get at me, I'm Mr. Color Coder.